Yes, I still make lock extensions. I'm going to start posting more content on YouTube. I started doing YouTube a while back and then stopped for about 2 years. So I'm trying to get up to that 1,000 subscribers, y'all. But if anyone would like to order lock extensions from me, you can look on Etsy under Lovely Locks. It may be under just Beaties. Yeah, I'm doing my thing. This right here is called a Loc Rope. And you make a lock bun with it if your locks are too short. I don't know. I'm going to make a video on that. But anyway, guys, this was just me today going to the post office, getting that order in before Christmas, Anyways, check me out. Greedy Beaties, Lovely Locks, signing off.